Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be talking about why Orbi router or satellite is showing this type of purple light and what you can do in order to fix it. So whether your internet stopped working, the Orbi keeps disconnecting or the purple light suddenly appears after the setup, I will walk you through the most common causes and the solutions step by step. So most of the Netgear Orbi system, this particular purple or the magenta light usually means that the Orbi router or the satellite cannot connect to the internet or it has lost communication with the main router. So this can happen because of the modem issues, sometimes due to bad cables, failed syncing and temporary network outages. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you should do is to simply restart the entire network setup. So in order to do that, you just have to simply unplug the modem and the Orbi router from the power and simply wait for about 60 seconds. Then turn the modem back on first and then wait until the internet connection becomes stable. After that, you can power on the Orbi router and the satellite again. And in many cases, this particular step alone is going to clear temporary connection glitches. Now, if in your case, if the issue still persists, you can just simply use this type of pin and then you can just simply put it inside this particular reset button. So you need to simply press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds and wait for sometimes until it is resetting the entire system. So you can try this method and see if it is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.